Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see how you can withdraw money from Stake to Fampay. So it's a pretty simple process. First of all, of course, if you've got a Stake account, you must have your email verified since before. If not, then you might have had an email for verification. Just make sure everything is verified and your Stake account is working properly. Now, when you want to withdraw money from Stake to Fampay, first of all, on your Stake, you'll go on wallet. As you can see right here, it will be right over here, and once you press on wallet, you will choose the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. So basically, after pressing on wallet, you'll get an option of different cryptocurrencies, and you will choose the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw and its corresponding crypto network. Now next, it will give you the option to enter the destination address. Now in the destination address, of course, you're going to add your address of Fampay, your Fampay detail in the option, and after that you will input the desired amount you want to cash out on Stake. So after entering the destination address of Fampay that you have on your Fampay application, you will input the amount that you want to withdraw to Fampay, and after that they'll just ask you for a two-factor authentication code just for security process, and after that, once you enter that, your transaction will be submitted and the money would be withdrawn to Fampay. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.